On the ending days, you should be active. How is my voice? Clear, fine, very good. Excellent. Audio, video, everything is clear. What about your practice? Oh, Johnson, which area? Oh, Sainikpur. Yeah, in my area also started just now. Oh, heavy rain in my area also. Just I turn back. Sainikpuri. What about remaining areas? Weather report, my dears? Cloudy. Sunny Nidor. Nizam, but heavy rain. Yes, yes. Hyderabad completely rainy. Odisha also rain. Okay. Oh, very good in Pune also. Right, guys. In the last session, whatever validations, examples, how you tried. Well, use Nitesh. Oh, you want in Delhi, which area? No, Hyderabad heavy rain. Prasad. You want means we'll send something. Okay. So finally, what is our validations examples? How you practiced? Validation is used in writing. Verification also doing, Manshu. Not only validation. Come on, shall I move forward? Validations, third session. Email validation. Some login related validations. Yes, Bharadwaj. Yes, we are using Imanshu, Geo applications level also. The Windows environment, generally with the Python programming we are writing. So, shall we do email validations, login validations? Today, different validations we can try to observe. How many you completed yesterday task? Period is nothing but dot operator. Dot operator popularly known as period. Right, email validations. So now we can try to observe how simply we are going to. First of all, email contains several parts. What are the parts in email available? You can tell me. Total 5 parts existed common in the email. Email is combination of letters, numbers, periods, hyphens, different symbols, underscores. I didn't understand your question, Ratnakumari. Work image. Right. At the rate symbol before, at the rate symbol after. A combination of letters, numbers, hyphens, and periods. Fourth one is a period. Fifth one is a top level domain. com, .net, org, US, gov. There are many things. So every email generally made with 5 parts. Oh, that one you are asking me. Action you are asking me. Maybe image not available. You can give another image. What is there, Ratnakumari? Otherwise, you can give https://it.com. Not only image, no, you can provide anything. Action means once you click on the submit button where it is going to destination. Otherwise, Google website you can provide, Facebook you can provide, whatever it is. It's not the matter of image. Hope you understood what I said. Right. So top level domain. A combination of letters, numbers, hyphens, and periods. It's a period. So every email made up of 5 parts. Am I clear, everyone? So how email is going to be validated? How many parts available? Top level domain, primary level domain, period. What is the meaning of period? Dot operator. At the rate symbol. Why generally we are using at the rate symbol? Is there any reason? The mail IDs, why we are using generally at the rate symbol? Is there any reason? What purpose we are using generally? Come on. No. Anybody? No, not commercial. What purpose we are using? At the rate notation in the emails. But you people are using. How you are using, my dears, without knowing? Everybody using, you are also using. That's it. There is no reason behind that. No one given correct answer out of nearly 70 members. Really, you people don't know what is the use of @ symbol in mails? Oh my goodness. Different mail type, expression. No, nobody is agreeing. We don't know, sir. Please explain like that. Nobody is saying. Very good. You are trying to answer at least. No. At least remaining members. 4 or 5 members keep on trying. That is nice. @ is the separator between primary level domain and top level domain. It is a separator. @ is separating. Oh, now you given somebody Prasad. And you need to understand the word very clearly, guys. Nice. At least. And some of you guys having some idea about that. What is @ meaning? Separating between, a separator between top level domain and primary level domain. What is primary level domain? What is top level domain? Any clue with you? What is primary level domain? What is top level domain? Is there any clue with you? Come on, quickly, everyone. Come on. Right. Primary level domain is the user choice. Top level domain is the default. Primary level domain is the user choice as per existence. Top level domain is the default. Whatever .com, .in, .gov, .org, .net, whatever you are using, that domain name will come automatically. Right. So now I wrote some code. Are you understanding in the form level? Just I wrote one constraint in the email level. Do you know what is the meaning of constraint here? Come on, active everybody, active everybody. What is the constraint name here? Come on, that much time you are taking ending classes. Lot of information already provided. Very good. Email is the constraint? No, email is not constraint here. Email is the input type. Yes, required is a constraint, correct. What required can do? What required can do? Required is mandatory. So mandatory means what you need to provide here? Mandatory means what we need to provide here? Then previously what I wrote? Come on, lot of coding already completed. Still you people are thinking. Color. Right, save it. Refresh it. So now you need to enter a valid email ID. I entered, for example, Rama12. I'm giving. Is it valid or invalid? Validation observe here. Valid or invalid? Invalid. Is it mandatory, optional? Very good. Am I wrote here any JavaScript statements? Any JavaScript logic I implemented here? Come on, everyone. Any JavaScript logic I implemented here? No JavaScript. I used here one constraint. The constraint is nothing but required. What is required duty? As per input you entered or not? What is input? Email. Email must contain which one? @ notation. Okay, very good. Now you can go there and provide @ notation. Excellent. I'm giving gmail.com. For example, you are giving not com, comma com. Now you can observe. Is it validating perfectly? Hello, everyone. Is it validating perfectly, my dear software engineers? Come on, quickly. Perfectly it is. It is invalid. Okay, excellent. I made here, for example, dot. Then I given. Oh, perfectly working. It is redirecting to google.com. No problem. It is a perfectly redirecting. Try to understand. For example, I said here co.in. I said, is it valid or invalid? Is it valid or invalid? In perfectly valid, my dear. No doubt in that one. Perfectly valid. So remember, everybody, this one. So generally, email ID contains how many parts? 5 parts available. Come on, tell me first part. What is the meaning of the first part? It is a combination of alphabets, numbers, some special characters. What is the second part? Second part is @ notation. Very good. What is the third part? Again, combination of letters and numbers. That is third part. Combination of letters and numbers. And the fourth part is the period. And the fifth part is the top level domain. Do you know which is the powerful top level domain in the industry? Which is a powerful top level domain in the industry? Yes, .com is very powerful, Rohit. .com is very powerful. What is the meaning of .com? What is the meaning of .com? Very good. Commercial. Worldwide, very popular is .com. In Indian websites, what we are using? Yes, just .in we are using. Indian websites level. So, okay, no problem. So it's simply one constraint I use here and I wrote. Now I'm going to some more validations here as per the real-time industry. Observe here. Login validations, people are asking me. Whenever people are asking login validations, recently one student asked me, sir, in the interview panel, they questioned me, how that one write login validations. If you enter more than 6 characters, make login enable. Otherwise, make a login disable. I hope you're understanding question properly. Minimum 6 characters username, minimum 6 characters password, both you entered, make login enable to click. Otherwise, make it disable. User unable to click on the login. Because minimum login credentials, how many characters available here? Minimum 6 characters. Maximum leaving choice to user only. There is no limit for maximum. Today I'm showing really wonderful validations, my dears. Definitely these validations very useful. At the same time, in our whatever the projects level I'm showing, already I implemented various projects level, all these validated programs. Okay, right. Now I'm entering inside validations level. Come here. Just first I'll write script level. Type is equal to text or JavaScript. So minimum how many characters? 6 characters compulsory. I'm giving function. I want to validate login. Okay. Login form. Very good. Now I'm writing. So I'm taking first if condition. I'm giving document dot get element by ID. First username I'm taking. Username is means username is a text box. This text box is paid tag or non-paid tag? Come on, input type is equal to text box is paid or non-paid? Nilam. Text box is paid or non-paid? Input type is equal to text is non-paid. Lot of practice required. Non-paid having which property? Inner HTML or value property? Come on, value property available. So I'm giving dot length. If more equal to 6. Wonderful. Please perfectly understand, my dears. Please perfectly understand. Either that one and come on, what I'm writing? Get element by ID. And ID password level I'm taking PWD. Dot value or in HTML here? Dot value or in HTML here? Value only. Value dot length. And I'm giving greater than equal to 6. Hope you people are getting correctly words or not. Check it. Clear or not, also you can try to check it. So if implementation completed, shall I move forward up to there? Clear everyone? Come on, everyone, up to there, clear? Right, I'm taking. Then immediately I'm writing here. Document dot get element by ID. I'm taking, for example, whatever the control available, that is maybe button. I'm making what that one disabled. I'm making disabled. Disabled false. Do you know what is the meaning of disabled false? What I wrote, are you understanding? My dear programmers, am I making you clarity here? Else what I'm writing? Disabled true or false now? Now I'm making disable true. Study once again this logic and tell me. Study once again this logic and tell me. If greater than or equal to 6 means disabled, false means don't disable. Otherwise, make it disable, true. Super logic, simple logic. Come on, software engineers. Listen carefully. Any question for me in the logic level, you can question me. No means I'll move forward. Oh, very good. Everybody understood? So logical part is completed now. So which part is we need to design? Yes, we need to design body part. Body part level, form available. And a method is equal to something I'm writing that is not a matter here. First input type, valid. Okay, email ID. I'm using that one also. Email required. Okay, right. I'm trying to use same thing without time waste. Very good. Enter valid password. Super valid password. Both are mandatory. And I'm writing here email or password. Excellent. Submit level, I wrote validate. To cancel or to reset controls, I'm giving reset. Any trouble you are facing here? Reset and you can give cancel. Clear the right. Whatever we wrote, that function we need to write no login form. Very good. Copy the function name, this logic we need to implement. Right, come down where we need to write this logic. Input type is equal to and required level. Okay, I am taking. So do you remember on blur? Anybody? Any of you guys remember on blur? If you remember, can you tell me what is on blur can do? If you remember, what on blur can do. Come on, everyone. In the JavaScript events time, we invested a lot of time to understand on blur. On blur is not active when we move the cursor. No, wrong that one, Nadeem. Gets highlight. No, that is wrong, Neelam. On blur, anybody? No underline. On blur means it get executed when you are leaving the object. On blur get executed when you are leaving the object. Your meaning is that one, Prasad and Akshay. On blur means it get executed when you are leaving the object. What is on blur opposite event? What is on blur opposite event? On focus. Very good. What is on focus? It get executed when you are entering into object. It get executed when you are entering into object. Okay. So I'm using now on blur. ID is equal to I'm using. I said simply here on blur. On blur is equal to I'm using like this. Same on blur I'm going to copy. I want to use with ID. ID is equal to PWD and on blur is equal to same thing. PWD, yes. Guys, whatever the logic I'm writing, are you in a position to follow the source code? Any mistake is there? Any doubt is there? JavaScript ending sessions, very important. So far, we did more than 60 sessions. But how many you are practicing, I don't know perfectly. But last few sessions onwards, we are writing a lot of code every day. Any mistake you are finding in this code, please try to observe. I'm giving a chance to you. Please observe one login validation in the real-time industry, how perfectly we are validating our email ID correctly user entered or not, password correctly entered or not. Both are correct when you click on validate. It go to successful page. So on blur is not correct. Why? Any spelling mistake is there? What? On blur. Bhuvan? No, very good. Thank you. So finally on blur is correct. Right, and I'm giving. Logic also correct. So make it save. Now I'm moving. You people said everything is correct. Valid email ID I don't want. It is giving. And the history available, that is the reason. Automatically that is coming. We don't want. Right. Enter valid email ID. And I said, for example, I'm giving gmail.com. No, I'm giving only 5 letters I provided. That is automatically coming key. That is a browser compatibility, my dear. Who is asking me? Akshay. These keys are saying this is very important data, valuable data. Automatically it is displaying your form. Okay, don't worry about that. These are the credentials like that. One kind of meaning is there. Nowadays, browsers automatically displaying these features. See how nicely. So my name is available by default, that is coming. Now I said, for example, KS at the rate I said. Observe here. Now, whenever you are entering something, I forgot here. What I forgot, come to button level. Okay, login form, password completed on blur. Input type is equal to button I am giving or submit I am giving. Observe. Button I am giving, submit I am giving. And value is equal to validate. I'm giving simply disabled, one attribute I'm giving. Super. Now, if you save this, if you are going to refresh, see why it isn't disabled. You can tell me that. If I entered, for example, KSR, if I entered, for example, 5 characters, this will be enable or disable? Why it isn't disabled? Anybody? Minimum email ID, how many characters? Minimum password, how many characters? Minimum 6 characters. I said KS Raju. I said, for example, yes, now it will be enable or disable? It should be enable. Right, we'll go back and we'll check it. It should be enabled once you are entering. These are the 6 characters. These are also, but not enabled. Come down. Right, disabled. Where we wrote, once again, we can verify. Length greater than or equal to. Value also greater than or equal to. Correct, both are. Button. Oh, ID we need to provide. No, my dear. Where you provided that ID here? Did you provided that ID? Come on, guys. Step by step, every point I'm giving. ID you provided. What is ID? Button 1. If you are not providing that, how it get executed? Oh, very good. Come on now. Email ID, case Raju provided. Password also I provided. More than 6 characters. Observe now. Oh, powerful. Remove the characters now. Yes. Observe now. This is what exactly cool feature. If you are developing in the interview panels like this, damn sure nobody will ask you anything. Okay, you are giving your 6 characters. If you remove 1 character, come out. Yes. Are you following me, the beautiful validations, software engineers? Come on. Yes, whatever the mistakes as a student you are doing learning time, already I did all the mistakes. Again, I recovered in front of you. Do you want to see the source code once again? Come on, software engineers. Do you want to see the source code? Yes, observe the source code first, function level. Once your observation completed, I'll ask some questions. Peacefully, perfectly observe. Who is strong in JavaScript? You people can do wonders. You are weak in JavaScript, wonders not possible. Please try to understand these words. Yes, everyone. Right, logical part is clear. Shall I show the design part? Come on, everyone. Right. Now I'm going to body part. Careful observe. Careful observe. I'm giving time to you guys to understand every line of JavaScript code perfectly. Any question is there, please question me. Body part is known part only, HTML part. Maximum you people need to concentrate on JavaScript part, that is header part only. Logical and my dear Bhuvan, you forgot operators. Logical and, logical or, logical not. Both are true, result will be true. Any one true, result will be true. True means false, false means true, not operator. Come on, my dears. Come on, software engineers, remaining members. Yes, please, some emojis. People are getting bored. Come on, make them entertainment. Serious emojis, comedy emojis. Come on, quickly. Yes, relax, cool. Next big program I'm writing. Come on, emojis, quickly. What people are doing? Are you sleeping, my dears? Outside is rainy. Inside is completely firing. JavaScript operations we are writing. Head inside is getting no hope. Array, sir, suddenly last 5 days onwards, you're giving a lot of coding. How JavaScript validations are going? Very good. How JavaScript validations are going? Cool, cool, very good. Very good, nice. Fire. Fire, my dears. Right. We're going to next level. Taggedele, Pushparaj. Come on, we'll go to next one. In the real-time industry, you people observed or not, one beautiful validation is there. Okay, now for example, we'll go to some websites like Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Hotmail. Okay, first I'll show you Yahoo Mail. Yahoo Mail time, I'm entering. Anyone, okay, no problem. Super. Without entering here, if I'm clicking, what happening? Coming on a red color. Come on. Right, create an account, for example. See? Red color. If you are entering something here, red color is disappeared or not? Hello. Very good. Like this validations I want. Whenever text box is empty, I want border color is equal to red. Whenever text box having characters, border color is equal to silver. Means empty is giving red color border. Red color border indicating to the user, oh, you need to enter something. I hope, are you following my logic, what I said? Validating text fields as per real-time environment. One Yahoo, one Gmail, one Hotmail, one AOL, one Shymail. Like this, there are many mail services available. How many types of mail services are there? how many types of mail services are there in the industry? Can anybody tell me? There are two types of mail services, Akshay. Online mail communications, offline mail communications. Everybody, you forgot starting classes. It gives a lot of practice. Starting, do you know how many members are attending our classes 2 months back? 250 members nearly. Today, how many members are there? The reason you can try to understand. Yes, the reason you can try to understand. A lot of practice. This much important validations class, people unable to attend means you can try to check it. Total in JavaScript validations almost hot part. Thank you. At least you guys are attending, you are practicing. Definitely all you people are getting great jobs. All you people are getting great jobs, not simple jobs. I wish you to get a great job in UI technologies. Right, we'll develop one beautiful program as per Yahoo sign up page. Come on. Now we are entering inside. Entering inside, and I'm giving a lot of resources. This code, if you want, I'm giving because some people are asking me that. I'll put in the mail also same code, don't worry. Okay. Okay, right, I'm removing function part because I want to write separately. This is not suitable. Excellent. And right. Super. I'm giving here function, right. Function, one function I'm taking. I'm checking first how many characters you entered. Super. Super. And while I'm going to check, I'm passing some arguments. I'm taking length. I'm taking the text box level, whatever the ID you are entering. Any name you can give, no problem. It is not the matter. Okay. Okay. Super. And I'm giving. So if text box inside value length is 0, correctly understand my words. If len equal to 0, then what should I say here? Document dot get element by ID. ID already I'm passing here, CID dot. Actually value I need to write. Value len I'm checking. Now one object I'm taking here, style. Do you know what is the meaning of style? In CSS, whatever the list of properties existed, all the properties available in JavaScript style object. Are you following me? Style dot, there is a property available here, border color. Beautiful. And in that border color, I'm changing as red. Please understand my condition properly. Everybody okay up to here? Whatever I implemented, any question is there, I'm ready to answer. Take your own time. Yes, no input, the border color will be red color. Correct, Ratna Kumari. Perfect answer you given. Great. ID is a argument. That is the reason I didn't keep in quotation. It is already passed argument. Correctly check it. Very good, Neelam. Good observation. Then else. Oh, beautiful. Else level, what you are giving? Come on. If that is not red, I'm taking everything here. I said simply silver. Means what? Same color you should be. Wonderful. Super. I'm writing slowly the fine logic. Completed, everybody. Logic is magic. Magic is money. How much logic you are writing, that much we are perfect. Yes, finally logic is the king. Correct, Bhuban. Any question for me here? Right. A small style also I'm writing. You can try to understand. What is that? Just for boldness purpose, I'm writing this style. Style I'm writing. Everybody knows about the style tag, CSS implementation. Yes. We need to close. Yes. Simple I'm giving. Whenever input level selector I'm taking, not compulsory, just border little bit thickness purpose I'm writing. Just border visibility purpose, otherwise border not visible. Border some 2 pixels. Okay, 1 pixels I'll show you. If 1 pixel is okay, otherwise 2 pixels I'll change. Solid. And I'm giving silver. I hope you are understanding every line, whatever the lines I'm giving. Just you can try to understand the words here in a simplified manner. Check it once again, everybody. Am I clear? All the resources, whichever I entered here. Come on. Right border, solid silver. Style not closed. Okay, no problem. I closed. Okay. Right. Style. Border 1 pixel, solid and silver. Any doubt means I'll remove this one. This is not the matter. What purpose I kept? Try to realize. Only the border thickness purpose. Correct or not? Super. Now I'm coming to form level. As usual. Come on. So ID CID provided. ID CID. CID is the argument. Len is the argument. Come down to body level. Carefully observe everyone. First, not email ID. I'm entering username. I'm entering username. Here I already entered password. Just password. Okay, what is that? Non-logical part, that is not a matter. Input type is equal to what available here? Text available. Input type is equal to text. Now I'm writing here ID is equal to text1. Anything you can write ID, no problem. ID what available right now here? I'll show you, don't worry. What available, will show you that one, okay? ID text box one I provide. Now on blur only. On blur already you are popular. I'm using that on blur only. Remove this. What is on blur is equal to? Yes, this function length I want. On blur is equal to, we need to write of, I'm writing. What is this keyword indicating in JavaScript? Anybody? Come on, this keyword indicating anybody? This dot value, what is this keyword indicating? Dot length. Come on, everybody, what is this keyword indicating? It is indicating the current object, comma, I'm giving here txt1. Super. Perfectly understand the logic, whatever I'm writing here. Yes, what is the current object here? txt1. ID txt1. On blur is equal to this dot value dot length txt1. Super. Come on. Very good, Akshay. Reminding members. Password level I'm going to. Required I'm removing. ID I'm going to write txt2. And on blur is equal to what I'm writing. What I'm writing. Again, txt2 I'm going to observe and tell me the things. Any logical things are not understood, you can tell me. Now button node I'm giving submit. Anything, no problem. Super. Value login I'm giving. Excellent. Login or sign in. I don't want any ID, any disabled, because this is a previous logic. I saved already in the notepad this logic, I'll send to you. Super, this is reset cancel. Here there is a break tag. Super, break tag is there. Come on, everyone. Anybody not understood, you can question me. Everybody okay, I'll run the program. Come on, check it. Come on, once again, complete program you can. Any kind of spelling mistakes available, you can check it. 0. Yes, 0 means red. Else, border color is equal to silver. Then I provided, it is what input is, you know? Input is selector, we are calling generally. Method is equal to post level. Then I implemented. Shall I start my execution? Right, saved that one. By default, my history level username coming because previously I entered something. See, silver color and red color, how it is working. No entry, red color. Entry, silver color. What is a silver color is nothing but a kind of, hello software engineers, come on. If you want, you can change the colors. Bootstrap level, same appearance, I'll change my dears. Bootstrap is some session existed, right? Then definitely we can see some more look and feel in a powerful manner. First of all, logic you understood, whatever I wrote. Come on, quickly reminding software engineers. Yes, 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 everyone, you want to see the logic? Check it once again, logic. Check it once again, logic. Come on, shall I go to more programs? Or today is enough for you? No, sir. No, sir. Somebody is saying already headache. You are getting what? Oh my God. Line 30 code, please observe now. Validations are Srikanth. Nowadays, I'm busy with Python sessions, Django sessions, data science sessions, machine learning sessions like that. Yeah, I'll provide you complete code. I'll provide you. Compulsory, I'll provide you. Don't worry. But you are, some people, you are very serious, my dear, learning code. Really appreciate you. That zeal, that passion required here. Then only we can understand the things in more powerful manner. Today I'm giving some more actually validations. Recently I developed some validations exclusively for projects. Actually, I'm trying to show you that kind of validations files. What that one? JS real-time validations. Maybe in the next session I'll provide you. One interview question is how to display HTML code. See, show HTML code on the web page. Anybody you received like this question? Direct HTML code I want to see on the web page. Is it possible? Direct HTML code. So recently I developed that one. I'll show you in the next session. Recently one student questioned me. I'll show you in the next session. Beautiful code I developed recently. If you want, you can see direct HTML code on the web page. How it is. Direct HTML code. Nobody can display like this. You can try and tell me also. Yes, Neelam, in the next session, that also. Alert message is very simple. I'll show you. Length is equal to 0, window dot alert. Please enter. Okay, first today, whatever logical programs we learned, I'll show you that. Right, up to that level source code I'm giving to you, and check it once, whatever the source code is there here. Try to practice all these. Right, guys. Uploading the resources here. 1 second. Are you enjoying validations classes? Practice everyone. Practice makes you validations more simple, more powerful. Tomorrow some outlines also we can see. After that, we'll move forward to bootstrap level. After that, we'll move forward to bootstrap level. Let me upload first. After that, I'll take another 10 minutes of technical questions. Right. JS validations. Right. Click on that. Oh, serious? That time compulsory required some server-side coding. Actually, that kind of things we can do Node.js level. I'll try Sirish. Okay, don't worry. Promises in JS. Okay, Akshay, definitely. I'll show you with combination of Bootstrap. Right. JS validations already provided notes. Come on. Any technical queries? I'll be here another 10 minutes. You can ask your doubts. Thank you, everyone. Catch you tomorrow.